Hello everybody! In this video we show how you can use the TV built-in Amazon Alexa on WebOS 22. This function is not available on all models in all countries, but if you have this on your TV, you can use Alexa voice control on your TV via your Magic Remote. To start using the TV built-in Amazon Alexa, press the Alexa button on your Magic Remote. You might have to agree first with the user agreements that are required for voice control. Now select Get Started. This is the international version of Alexa. The available features and languages vary per country. Select Continue. Now you have to sign in with your Amazon account. On your phone, go to this URL or scan the QR code with your phone's camera. You will be linked to the Amazon sign-in page. Sign in with your Amazon account to continue. Make sure the code shown on the screen is entered here and select Continue. Scroll down and select Allow. Alexa on your TV is now signed in with your Amazon account. You can now choose which language to use with Alexa. You can see the available languages here. Select Continue. If your TV has a built-in microphone, you can use hands-free voice control, but we will look at this option later. Also, we will skip this for now. And we can see some examples of the voice commands. We are now in the home menu of the Alexa app, and we can start using Alexa on the TV. There are now two ways to use the Alexa button on your Magic Remote. If you shortly press the button, the Alexa app is opened, where you can find examples of the voice commands. And settings, such as the language setting. To use Alexa voice control, you have to press and keep holding the Alexa button while you speak into the microphone on the remote. For example,
what's the weather in Amsterdam?
Currently, in Amsterdam, North Holland, it's 10 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun.
Or open an app on the TV.
YouTube.
Or you can control smart home devices, which are linked to your Amazon account.
Switch on the living room lights.
Okay.
If your TV has a built-in microphone, like on this OLED C2, you can also use hands-free voice control. To use this, open the Alexa app and switch on the hands-free option here. Now we can use Alexa on the TV without using the Magic Remote. Just say Alexa, followed by the commands. For example,
Hey Alexa, switch off the TV.
Okay.
When you have enabled the Always Ready function, you can also use hands-free voice control when the TV is switched off. Then we can see the standby light is white to indicate the microphone is still on.
Hey Alexa, switch on the TV.
Okay.
To log out your Amazon account on the TV, open the Alexa app, go to Settings and select Log Out. Alexa on your TV is now logged out from your Amazon account. This is how you can use the TV built-in Amazon Alexa on WebOS 22. For more help, contact your local LG help desk.